Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline Hart. I lead the app review team that helps businesses like yours navigate our policies and guidelines to publish on Google Play. Our top priority is to keep Android and Google Play safe for everyone, but we know that the privacy and security landscape is constantly evolving, and it can be difficult to keep up. We want to make the publishing process as clear as possible so you can get your amazing apps and games to people all over the world. Our goal is for the Play Store to be a safe and trusted place for customers to find and download apps, and a platform that enables you to build a flourishing business. In this episode of Notes from Google Play, I'll talk about some of the recent changes we've made to improve our policy experience. This includes new ways to give you support and a sense of where our efforts are headed next. Most recently, we launched our redesigned app content page. Now in Play Console, outstanding tasks are made clearer so you can quickly identify what you need to do to comply with our policies. We've added a timeline view of new and updated declarations. This new design alerts you to upcoming deadlines, giving you time to understand which declarations you need to complete and to help you fix issues more quickly. Later this year, this page will expand to give you not just existing declarations, but also upcoming declaration requirements and deadlines, so you have even more time to plan. We've also made it easier for you to know if your app will be affected by our annual Target API requirements. To ensure security and safety standards, as well as make use of the latest platform enhancements, we require apps to support the latest versions of Android. Warnings are now shown on the policy status page in Play Console. If you're at risk of being non-compliant, you'll also find links to help you understand how to stay compliant and a way to request an extension if you need more time. We're also bringing warnings about policy issues related to third-party SDKs into Play Console. In the past, your app updates could be disrupted by a sudden email telling you to update an SDK. Later this year, this information will appear on the policy status page so you can see any issues immediately, giving you time to get into compliance. We're also investing in new ways to offer you even more support. We know you work hard to create and distribute apps on our platform, but sometimes your apps may unintentionally violate one of our policies. To help give you more guidance and support, we're investing in programs to make understanding our policy areas even easier. One of these efforts is the Strike Removal Program. Developers can have an enforcement strike removed from their account by taking a Play Academy training course and passing an assessment related to the policy violation. We launched the program as a pilot last year and have seen a successful reduction in repeat violations, and we're now happy to make this program available to all developers. With the launch of the developer help community, we're also making it easier for you to support and learn from product experts and each other. You can share best practices, build connections, and ask your peers about everything from Play Console to the latest policy changes. Looking ahead, our team will be prioritizing new ways to help customers have even more confidence in the quality and security of the apps and games they download through efforts like our new developer verification process for new Play Console accounts. These are just a few of the key privacy and security initiatives we've been working on recently. To learn more about the things I've mentioned in this video, check out the blog post linked in the video description. And as always, thank you for watching and for partnering with us to keep Google Play safe and trustworthy.